Acumen's Schedule Cleanser is an extremely powerful and flexible tool used to remove items from your schedule which may be negatively impacting the quality of your schedule. The cleanser can be used in two ways. The method is up to the user as the tool supports both perspectives. The first method is to generate a what-if scenario. In this case, you are removing constraints, lags, redundant logic, and several other characteristics in order to see what your schedule would look like without these items. This can be a very effective means to understand how artificial items, such as hard constraints, are holding your schedule back. The second method builds upon the first. After cleansing the schedule, you might find that your schedule finishes earlier. In this case, if task owners are willing to commit to performing according to the cleansed schedule, you may have just expedited project completion with very little effort expended. Let's take a look at how the Schedule Cleanser functions in Acumen Fuse. The Schedule Cleanser itself is located on the main S1 project screen. When you click the button for it, you're presented with the 5 aspects of the schedule which can be cleansed here on the left-hand side. I can simply click here for each, and the attribute will be removed when I run the cleanser. However, there's a bit more flexibility too. For example, when I click Hard Constraints, I can choose which specific hard constraints will be removed. And here on lags, I can decide whether to convert the lag to an activity with duration or remove the lag altogether. Now I'll go ahead and cleanse my schedule. You can see that a cleansed version of my schedule has been created. With the cleansed version, I have all the capabilities of the Acumen suite available to me. I can perform diagnostics on the cleansed schedule, compare the original and cleansed schedule in forensics, and if I'm an Acumen risk user, I can even use the cleansed schedule as the basis for a schedule risk assessment. I may want to use the newly cleansed schedule in my scheduling tool. If that's the case, I can simply go to the clean version here on the Projects tab and click the Export Scenario button. Alternatively, I can right-click the name of the project and use the Export Scenario option here. Once saved, I can return to my scheduling tool and use the cleansed project. Looking for more information about the Acumen suite? Find us online at projectacumen.com or write to us on Twitter or at info@projectacumen.com.